Hello everybody, this is Sybil. Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great and that you had a wonderful weekend. I did. My husband was here because we celebrated our 43rd anniversary. Our anniversary is May 9th, but he has to work, of course, on May 9th. That's a Tuesday. So he came home for the weekend and we had so much fun. Oh, just an absolute wonderful time together, and I thank the Lord for that blessing. So I'm here to share with you guys some goodies that I have purchased. This is from scrapbook.com. The thread is from Walmart, and then I have some other scrapping goodies that I'm going to share with you in a moment. But before I share any of this, I want to say that I am using my iPhone now to record my videos, better quality, and I purchased a ring light iPhone holder, and so you're going to see a ring whenever there's like, let me show you, let me warn you right now. When there's like plastic, you'll see a big shiny area, but that can't be helped. And you know, even before I had the ring light, I was always having a glare off of plastic and things like that. So please bear with me. I'm also working on the lighting with the ring light, seeing, you know, which type of light works best with my filming, you know, whether I'm filming in the day or in the night. So I'll be testing those things out and then writing down which light works best. So it has all different types of lights to choose from, and then you can increase it or decrease it and all that jazz. All right, so this is from scrapbook.com. Yesterday was National Scrapbooking Day. Some people say international because it's all the way around the world. So whether it's international or national, some people say scrapbooking, some people say scrapbook day, but there you go. Now, I had shared in a few previous videos that I really want to get back into scrapbooking, and that's what I've been doing. And I did make a really fun mixed media layout of my sons when they were young, and I will share that in another video. But I wanted to share all these goodies because I want to put them away and I want to start scrapbooking. So I've got to get my desk cleared of all these goodies. So from scrapbook.com, I bought kind of like a mishmash, if you will, of products to use. So this is Jen Hadfield's Flower Child. And I'm also not sure how far, you know, the distance of where I should put things at. So just bear with me, please. I really appreciate your patience with me in the next several videos. It'll get better, I promise. But I bought this and then another, the Retro Summer, because I was a 60s child. I was born in 1962, so I was just a little girl in the 60s, and then I turned a teenager in 1975, and so I loved the 60s and the 70s, you know, and so I bought these for layouts and of myself and, you know, growing up, and pictures of my husband, but me and my siblings, my family, during this time period. So this is Retro Summer from Simple Stories. And then this is Simple Stories in conjunction with My Mind's Eye, Wildflower. And I thought this was so pretty. The colors, so beautiful. I went through all of my scrapbook papers, my 12 by 12 papers, and then the ephemera and all the kits and everything. And I really got everything organized before my husband arrived. He arrived Friday night. And I was working up until right before I had to leave for the airport and got it all organized. I'm so proud of myself. But I realized I'm drawn to flowers. Most of my scrapbooking products have flowers in them, and that's a good thing for me because I love them. So again, this is Simple Stories, Wildflower, really cute. And this is Wildflower. And all of these items, of course, can be used for card making as well. but I am going to use these papers for scrapbook layouts. And then we have Boho Sunshine, again on the retro theme, throwing it back to the 60s and 70s. So fun. I love this. I used to doodle, you know, when I was like a preteen and early teen. I doodled and did all these, you know, things, the smiley face, the big letters, and it was just so cute. At least I thought it was fun, I'll say that. And then this is the 6x6 paper pad. Well, I won't open it, I'll just show you. I can't open it because it's sealed, but there you can see the paper's really cute. The sticker sheet. And then this is a different one. This is Flea Market. But a lot of the furnishings and things in this paper line made me think of some of the furnishings we had growing up. We had a globe, you know, we had end tables and really fancy frames on our pictures. And, you know, to me, they were fancy frames. You know what I'm saying? Like that. And we had like a picture like this. So that's cute. I just love it. Vintage memories. There you go. That's the cardboard that it came in. And I keep those for backing for some of my scrapbook layouts that have a lot of embellishments on them. And then this is Road Trip from, is it Cartabella? I'm thinking, yep, Cartabella. And that's just to document all our travels that we've done through the years. My husband and I, and then our kids, of course, us as a family, and then some of their travels I will be documenting as well. And then I'm going to move all of this out of the way, so give me just a moment. Get that over there. Okay, and then I also ordered, and I apologize for the glare, these stencils. You get the 3 stencils from Vicki Boutin. I didn't order that. I got that free, I'm sorry, from scrapbook.com. But I did get some foam sheets to put under my pictures and embellishments. And then I bought these beautiful threads, again, for scrapbook layouts. I love to do embroidery and needlework, and Paige Evans, she does a lot of embroidery on her layouts, and so I thought, oh, I'm going to start doing that too. So, and then I have embroidery thread too. But all right, so I joined Hip Kit Club again. I tried their club a while back last year, and I did it for like a month, and I wasn't real thrilled, but I came back and I'm so thrilled with them now. So over here, and it's a subscription club. So you buy the main kit, and then they have additional kits that you can purchase, and they will ship for free along with your main kit, or you can buy them right away, and then you'll have to pay for the shipping. But these are some of their past kits that I purchased. So this is from Winter, and you see the snowflake stencil there. And then I got these beautiful shimmer colors from Shimmer Paint. And then I got the Vibes from Shimmer's Paints, and then these beautiful colors. Those are 2 different kits, I think December and January. Okay, and then this was the March kit, and I was so thankful they still had some because I fell in love with it. And then this is the Hip Kit Club info. And if you're not familiar with them, I'm not getting anything from it. I will put a link to the Hip Kit Club website, and you can check them out for yourself. But this is all the goodies in the main kit for March. So I'm just going to go through this quickly. Really beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is the Simple Stories Life in Bloom. It is gorgeous. So that's the sticker sheet. And then these beautiful papers. This is from the Hit Kit Club, HKC. So beautiful, beautiful papers. And I'm just going to go through them real quick so you can see them like that, because it would take me forever just to hold up each one and talk about them. But like, see on this, I could do stitching. I can do stitching on the flowers. Look at that paper. Oh, I love that one. That is from, that's the Vintage Blooms. So beautiful. Sweet Melody. And this one I want to ink up. I want to ink up all those flowers. And then there's that. So that was the March kit. And then really quick, this is the color kit and the ephemera kit and the main kit for April, because my subscription started in April with the April kit. And this is called Hip and Humble. And that's not it. It's a really pretty, like, Baroque stencil, design on the stencil. I've got the Nouveau Glimmer Paste in that lilac color. And then this beautiful color, like a soft, buttery lemon twist in Dream Drops. And then these pieces, I think some of them are from the ephemera kit. So we've got fabric, flowers and leaves, and that's really cute. I love that it's fabric, and these are cardstock ephemera bits. I apologize if you can't see the detail, or if I'm even on, I'm not even sure if I'm on camera. So I may have to do this video all over. That's a little stamp. And then some more flowers. Some more fabric ephemera. And then this is puppy stickers. And I was surprised when I saw this. There's 3 sets in here of, so you've got sentiments, you've got little like dots, but they're foam, and you know, puffy, not foam. And then these little doodads there, those little stickers, really cute. And you've got some more embellishments here, stickers, and they're dimensional. And then some chipboard alphas, love that color. And then these stickers here, these are clear. This is kind of odd, I'm not into that. I don't know what about that, but I love all the other things. And then loads and loads of beautiful, beautiful papers to create with. And I won't show you all the details, but anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, even though it's my first one using my phone and my ring light and this new arm that, you know, goes over my desk, give it a thumbs up. I really would appreciate it. I will talk to you guys again soon. Have a blessed week. Bye for now.